We begin this Tuesday with the alarming spike in fentanyl-related deaths across the country. Today, new approaches are being used to help save lives here in North Dakota and Minnesota. Valley News Team's Kellen Harmon explains how one method, using testing strips, could wind up saving you or someone you know.
Overdoses from fentanyl have caused a tragic number of preventable deaths. It's a growing danger in communities, and Fargo Cass Public Health has teamed up with Signify Analytics for fentanyl testing strips.
North Dakota alone had a 50% increase in drug overdose deaths from 2020 to 2021.
Are we better off giving people access to fentanyl tests to prevent overdoses, or to have them take the enormous risk of dying and destroying families and communities? We choose testing because testing can and will save lives.
While testing strips have been around in Fargo since 2019, these new ones come with QR codes that show instructions and allow users to anonymously upload positive test results, creating a map of areas with higher dangers of laced fentanyl.
Up until we started partnering with them, I had no idea. I would hear from our folks like, oh yeah, this came back positive. They wouldn't tell me where. They wouldn't tell me what it was. I can then say, hey, this is what I found out's going on in your neck of the woods. Like, you need to be careful. Take some of these, give some of your friends. You know, we give them out like crazy.
It's something the department's glad to see, as well as those who nearly died from the hidden danger.
They Narcaned me 8 times. They stopped after 9. And I got to the ER with 68% oxygen in my brain. I was on life support. My mom was told that, if I do make it out of my coma, that I'm going to be a vegetable. Save a life, you know? Like I said, you're not going to stop them, but you might as well prevent them from dying.
If you get a positive test, folks are 5 times more likely to change their behaviors when it comes to actual usage. Fentanyl's a scary thing. So I think people are going to change their behaviors if they do get a positive test. And like that gentleman told you, people are going to use regardless.
Reporting in Fargo, Kellen Harmon, Valley News Live.
Cass Public Health says that they gave out 400 tests in just the months of June and July.